You see this even in a planter area like this. It goes up to the front door. You know, they've got it into a drain line rather than just having the downspout dump directly into the planter area, because you do that, eventually the water is going to just come right out onto your sidewalk anyways. So anytime you get ready to landscape, you're re-landscaping or something like that, think about doing it this way. You don't necessarily have to have the pipe come directly and connect. This downspout happened to be the exact size for that. You can find little attachments and then go into your flexible drain line, and I've seen it done that way too. Okay, there's a tip for you. Now that we got the gutters cleaned out, the hole chopped bigger on the top of this downspout, and have all this cleaned up in a little channel there to the drain in the grass, we're going to try that for now. If you were hoping to see me install a new drain up next to the downspout right there, I might do that next time depending how well the winter goes. So I'll keep an eye on this and we'll see. Wow, that was a little project, but you know what? If I can do it, I know you can do it. Alright, so I've got all the downspouts cleaned out, repaired the hole cut out, and checked the downspouts and the gutters cleaned up. Everything rinsed down on the patio, the hose put away, and it looks like I'm not even here after I pick up those tools over there. All right, I think that's it for this time. Are you ready to blow this popsicle stand, go get something to eat? I'm ready, are you? Huh?
Little popsicle.
Hey, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.
Yes. Shut that thing off.